Hey everyone, in this video I will talk about control statements. So what is a control statements? Control statements in a Java are used to manage the flow of execution in a program. They allow you to make decision, repeat action and jump off different part of your code. So it's offer a different type of decision making statements like if statement, if else statements, switch statements and for loop statements and many more statements it allows like loop statements and jump statements so on. So in this video I'll be only talk about if statements and if else statements and switch statements. So it will be very easy to understand here. So what is a control statements? So let's explain one by one. That will be easy to you understand. The first I will talk about the if statements. What is if statement? It has a two branch of execution condition. It means it had two branches of statements. One will execute, one will not execute. Means it depends on your condition which statements you want to execute. So here is two statements. Here will be your condition. This is a syntax of if statements, and here you will write condition of statements. Then if this condition is true, then this statements one statement means executed. If this condition is false, means this else will execute statements too. I hope you will get understand what is a if else statement. Let's see by code. There you will understand it more easily how to write code and how to execute the program. So I have written a code. I have taken a int a variable assigned to a 1 and int b assigned to 2 to b. So let's apply a condition in a if a is smaller than and greater than a is smaller than and greater than b, means a is less than to b. So if this condition is executes, then this message will print, means condition is true. If it is not, then this condition will execute. Here the else part will execute. So let's see. So 1 is a less than to 2, so this condition is executes and this message will get printed on your console in your terminal. So the condition is false true. If it is false, then this condition will execute in it executes and this message will get printed in your console. So this is a if statements. I hope you will get understand what is if else statements and you seen the program also. Let's move on the if else statements, where you will see how to execute one more condition inside the if. So let's move on.